Worksport designs and manufactures products for markets like automotive accessories, consumer electronics, and HVAC systems. They have a growing intellectual property portfolio with patents and trademarks covering a range of products like tonneau covers, solar integrated tonneau covers, portable power stations, hydrogen-based green energy systems, heat pumps, and electric vehicle charging stations. The company aims to provide consumers with next-generation automotive accessories while capitalizing on the demand for clean energy solutions. Through solutions like their solar tonneau cover, Worksport Solus, and mobile battery generator system, Worksport QR, which can be integrated into a mobile microgrid power station for use in automotive aftermarket accessories, solar energy, and portable power station markets. Worksport also announced it increased its patent portfolio by approximately 25% in the last year. The company also joined LOT Network, a consortium of companies committed to preserving innovation and protecting against costly litigation from patent assertion entities, PAEE. LOT Network's more than 4,500 members include major players like Tesla, Ford, Amazon, Rivian, Hyundai, and Microsoft. By joining the network, Worksport is protected against PAE litigation using over 4.8 million patents, safeguarding both itself and its business ecosystem. Then, as 2025 moves along, Made in America initiatives and a focus on higher-value branded products are expected to continue helping revenue growth. While they target over $20 million in tonneau cover sales, which is expected to come from new partnerships, upcoming flagship product releases, and an expanding dealer network. The company primarily competes in the automotive aftermarket accessories and new energy industries, focusing on tonneau cover and portable power station markets. The tonneau cover market offers various types of covers with different advantages and disadvantages. Soft tonneau covers are generally less expensive, but provide less protection than hard covers. The most popular sales channels for truck bed covers include new vehicle dealerships and specialty retailers installers, as well as online retailers like online-only general retailer, specialty retailers and installers, and direct from parts manufacturers. The portable power station market is expected to keep growing with a compound annual growth rate of 3.9% up to 2032. This market is large and globalized, with the largest regional market being North America. Tonneau cover distribution is done through an expanding network of wholesalers, private labels, distributors, and online retail channels like eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and a Shopify platform, reaching three major types of customers in the specialty equipment aftermarket: master warehouse distributors and big box stores, dealers and wholesalers, and retail end consumers. Worksport's competition is in two markets: tonneau covers and portable power stations. In the tonneau cover market, major competitors include Real Truck, Truck Accessories Group, Agricover, Truck Covers USA, and Paragon. Worksport believes its independence, innovation, lean operation, and competitive pricing will help it gain market share. For portable power stations, global competition is highly fragmented, with companies like Alpha ESS Co., Anchor Technology, Bluetti, Chilwi Group, Duracell, GES Group, Jackery Inc., Lion Energy, Milwaukee Tool, and Mitsubishi Corporation, all competing in this space. Worksport plans to differentiate itself by focusing on one power station design while offering modular batteries for consumers to customize their energy capacity and pricing. Worksport's soft tonneau covers have been manufactured in a facility in Meizhou, China, followed by production at a second facility in Foshan, China, with double the capacity. Later, they purchased a 152,847 square foot production facility in West Seneca, New York, for domestic production, storage, and distribution. The company aims to increase quality control and lower costs by having manufacturing capabilities in North America. In August 2023, they started producing their first hard-folding tonneau cover, the Worksport AL3 Pro, with consistent production beginning in March 2024, continually focusing on improving manufacturing efficiency and product quality. Components required for producing soft and hard cover products include injection molded plastics, rubber hinges, seals, foam corners, aluminum coils, extrusions, and metal brackets. The company can source these materials from various suppliers without significant delay if a preferred supplier becomes unsuitable. They have an extensive network of domestic and international suppliers, which they are further diversifying by establishing relationships with suppliers in more countries. They also aim to reduce reliance on any country posing geopolitical supply chain risks. The company invests in ongoing research and development activities, both in-house and through third-party acquisitions. Design engineers based in Canada and the US work on developing unique tonneau cover designs with enhanced user experience and cost-effective materials. Electrical engineers focus on sourcing solar panels for their Solus cover while researching more size and cost-efficient portable energy storage solutions, while their subsidiary Terravis Energy researches green energy solutions for homes, community power, EV DC charging, and heat pump technology. Worksport has received tax, mortgage, wage, and energy cost relief in New York, and wage cost and R&D cost relief in Ontario from various agencies. They continue seeking additional incentives to lower operational costs, The COR portable power station is subject to U.S. and international regulations for the transport of dangerous goods, including lithium-ion batteries. Ongoing regulatory changes may add more requirements in the future, though in general, the company doesn't expect significant costs to arise in order to adhere to compliance with relevant environmental regulations and industry practices. However, investment in research and development, ramping up product offerings, expanding internationally, and managing costs effectively are still crucial for achieving profitability, which will depend on successful development and commercial acceptance of their products and services in order to increase sales. For more on Worksport and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.